In primetime news this evening, police nab prime suspect in sexual assault case. Caribbean leaders make their voices heard after U.S. military strikes vessels in Caribbean waters. And police warn against buying pharmaceutical drugs on the black market. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Sandy Williams, and for what's coming up in sports, here's Spencer Darlington with a preview.
Thank you very much, Sandy. Well, there have been major developments in the multi-million-dollar fraud case at the Institute of Sports. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. Romaine Robinson is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Sandy. Now, we do have a tropical wave in the area. It is continuing to produce shower and thunderstorm activity across Jamaica, also across much of the central Caribbean, and we expect much of the same weather conditions across the area tomorrow.
There is also the financial week, sports commentary, and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what additional measures could help reduce traffic congestion in and around urban centers. You can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center. Please stay with us. The Primetime News package continues after this break.